The Prophet ﷺ said, the most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to people. The most beloved deed to Allah is to make a Muslim happy, or to remove one of his troubles, or to fulfill his debt, or to feed his hunger. That I walk with a brother regarding a need is more beloved to me than I seclude myself in this masjid, i.e. Medina, for a month. Whoever swallows his anger, then Allah will conceal his faults. Whoever suppresses his rage, even though he could fulfill his anger if he wished, then Allah will secure his heart on the day of judgment. Whoever walks with his brother regarding a need until he secures it for him, then Allah will make his footing firm across the bridge on the day when the footings are shaken.